Hi, thank you for joining me today. My name is Tami Pierce, and I'm the Associate Director of Indigenous Initiatives and Partnerships at BCIT. I am of Indigenous and Japanese descent and have been a guest in this territory for 20 years. Today we're at the British Columbia Institute of Technology on the Burnaby campus, which is located on the traditional and unceded territory of the Coast Salish peoples, the homelands of the Musqueam, Squamish, and Tsleil-Waututh nations. We thank the generations of the Coast Salish peoples for caring for, nurturing, and sustaining these beautiful lands and for allowing us to live, work, explore, or just be in this space. Thank you for your generosity and friendship. Orange Shirt Day came about from a series of events designed to commemorate the residential school experience, to witness and honor the healing journey of the survivors and their families, and to commit to the ongoing process of reconciliation. Phyllis Webstad is the founder of Orange Shirt Day. She is Northern Secwepemc from Stawetlam Haitlam. When Phyllis was 6, she attended her first day at St. Joseph's Mission, wearing her new shiny orange shirt, gifted by her grandmother. On this day, it was taken and never returned. Today, we recognize Orange Shirt Day as the National Day for Truth and Reconciliation. This is an opportunity to learn, reflect, dialogue, and plan how you will do your part to advance reconciliation. We will fold an orange shirt to honor those who died at the schools or later in life, and who may not have had the chance to tell their stories. We also recognize the struggles that Indigenous people encounter as a result of colonial systems like residential schools. Creating this orange shirt is one small step toward reconciliation. Okay, let's begin. Choose an orange sheet of paper, any size will do, or you can choose a white sheet of paper and color it orange. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm using an 8.5 by 11 sheet. So to start, you want to fold this paper in half, this way, and then you're going to open it and fold each side in half again. So that's going to be the width of your shirt. You know, when we work with our hands, we believe that this is the perfect time to tell stories or to listen to stories, because we often have a greater ability to listen if our hands are busy. So I encourage you to share stories, or to encourage others to share their stories about Indigenous history, about the history of residential schools, so we can all learn together. The next thing you want to do, and I'm going to turn this over, is fold down the top by about an inch. So this is the start of your collar. Okay. Then you're going to grab the top corner and you're going to fold it inward. That'll be your collar on one side, and then you're going to do the same to the other side. So you're going to fold that in again, like so. And there's your collar. Then you're going to fold the bottom of the sheet. You're going to take the corner and you're going to fold it outward, again diagonally, and that shapes one sleeve. And then you're going to do the same to the other side. Fold it outward, that shapes the other sleeve. The last thing that you need to do is fold the paper in half. Pull up the bottom, slide the shirt front under the collar on each side, flatten it, and there you have it, your orange shirt, to remind you to listen, learn, and remember. Thank you for participating today. We hope your journey does not end here. We encourage you to learn more about truth and reconciliation and share your learning with family and friends. Most importantly, commit to an action that supports truth and reconciliation in your home, your community, or your workplace. Thank you again.